Good day everyone. This is Basic Math Gaming. For our daily maths number 1, this is our problem. Solve this correctly. 12 divide 3 times the quantity of 2 plus 4 minus 5 square plus 8. So in this kind of problem, marami pa rin ang nagkakamali dito. So samahan nyo ako paano ito isolve. So, let's go. Ang topic na ito ay tinatawag na PEMDAS rule. P stands for parenthesis, E stands for exponent, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, and S for subtraction. Ginagamit ang rule na ito kapag merong series of operation sa isang problem, katulad nito. So, ibig sabihin, una mong sasagutan ang parenthesis, followed by exponent, followed by multiplication and division from left to right. Ibig sabihin, kung ano ang mauuna from left to right, iyon ang uunahin mong operation. And same idea with addition and subtraction, kung ano ang nauna from left to right, iyon ang una mong isosolve. So, sagutan natin. 12 divide 3 times the quantity of 2 plus 4 minus 5 square plus 8. So, since in this type of problem, meron tayong parenthesis, so iyon yung uunahin nating sagutan. So, we have 12 divide 3 times 2 plus 4 is equal to 6 minus 5 square plus 8. Next is the exponent. So, meron ba tayong exponent? Yes. So, uunahin natin yon. So, 12 divide 3 times 6 minus 5 square is 5 times 5 is equal to 25. So, isusulat natin ang 25. And then, bring down 8. Next is multiplication and division from left to right. So, since meron tayong division and multiplication at the same time, uunahin natin si division kasi siya yung nasa left. Okay? So, 12 divide 3 is equal to 4 times 6 minus 25 plus 8. And then, followed by multiplication, which is 24 minus 25 plus 8. And then, last natin is addition and subtraction. Same idea with multiplication and division. Uunahin natin kung anong operation yung nasa left. So, in this case, ang nasa left operation or ang naunang operation from left to right is subtraction. So, 24 minus 25 is equal to negative 1. Bring down plus 8. And then, addition, negative 1 plus 8 is equal to 7. So, iyan po ang ating sagot. So, sa ating choice, the answer is positive 7. So, yun lang mga ka-daily maths.